Just because I'm a US citizen, I got completely new energy efficient windows. I got convinced when I heard that installing new windows changes the look and value of your home.
The government makes it possible for all US homeowners to get them easily, so why not take advantage?
Not all, but most zip codes qualify. So make sure to enter your zip code on the website to see if your home is in the supported areas. There are just a few requirements to get accepted. 1, you are a US citizen. 2, you live in an eligible area. 3, your windows are 5 years or older. You need to do it today because the applications for the nationwide window website are closing very soon.
If you want to save money on electricity bills, you have to sign up for this program today. So what are you waiting for? This is a one-time opportunity, so don't miss out on it. Get the best energy-efficient windows and make your home look and feel much better. So hurry up.
It will only take a minute to check if you qualify. Click on the link below.